sense of
that common, they're like super common.
well, but were these all purchased? I wonder if they did something the way they were.
So I think, all right, no power usually means that this piece here is f***ed up.
So let's do that one first.
Do that one. Find one with power and we can swap the part in.
Oh, cool. Right.
That one's bad case. All right, find one that works. We're looking just for Phillips head. Pull for us. All right, hold yours up. Don't go too hard.
I was gonna say this is.
Yeah, there it goes. Oh, wow.
Here, feel this. The back is what's like.
Right, actually.
So there we go.
Got it. Good. There's an attachment for the top to bottom. It just plucks out right there.
Oh wow. All right.
Okay, so what I think, what is fairly common with these is this piece here. You see how the charge port is its own board?
This.
Yeah, like this is like what.
See, I think the difference. This is it. I mean, it's just like there's so much more connected. Where's the Xbox? Not a lot more.
Here, don't make sure it does not go back together. PlayStation button?
No,
Nothing?
nothing.
Test 2. Let's hook this one up to that one.
That is.
This one with this one. Now let's try. They're both backwards.
So you now have the opposites.
These and these go together.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Cool. All right. Good charge board. That's good to hear. Means is this one's f***ed either on the motherboard or maybe it's a bad battery. We could try to flip the battery next. Just try to get as close to the base as you can and don't wiggle too much. Just pull
Try
tight.
to grab that now.
Oh. Okay, that was the one it started with. Come on. Let's go. It's just the battery.
That's almost.
No, not the other one. No, not this one. That one.
Just in case, because.
Actually, get this one.
Well, this controller's perfect.
Huh?
Let's just pause it for. I mean, this shouldn't say anything because there's nothing wrong with it. Now, it was the bad case.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, so what you're aiming for is the inside of that,
Yeah.
like over here, on this side.
Oh.
Basically, these things on the outside,
Yeah.
that's where all the electric contacts are. So right here and right here are what you're aiming for.
Yep. There.
Yep.
Well,
Gave it the old big one.
the old big one.
All right, while that's going, you wanna grab that top?
Yep.
Clean the buttons off a little.
That's where, like, letting you know versus like stealing all your shit.
That's actually very true. Trust me. I promise that'll change. All right, let's go. Look at them sitting perfectly. This one here's got a bad L2. Gotta figure out what's going on with the potentiometer and a bad charge port. So this guy's not working. Next time.